people know what types of opportunities are out there when it comes to advanced manufacturing right now?
I think there's a lot going on in the industry to bring awareness to the availability, but I don't think it's as well known as it could be, especially for women in manufacturing. My wife is looking to get into the industry. She was a stay-at-home mom, and now she's looking to get it back into the workforce. And so manufacturing is where she's starting to look. And so in her search for something, I don't think it's as available as it could be. So definitely opportunity to get it out there.
That's really interesting. And when you're thinking like your wife or other prospective employees thinking about pursuing this type of career, what types of skills or education should they be thinking about getting?
So in manufacturing, quite often going to a trade school is often sufficient. And that's where I started. I came out of a local community college, a trade school. I went back to mechanical aerospace engineering. And so that's what led me down my career path. And a technical college or a trade school is the place to be to get into manufacturing. It's a shorter term education, going to yield very, very good salary, a very good position somewhere.
And when you're looking for just looking for employees, are you looking more for skill set, problem solving skills, expertise in a certain area, all of the above? What are the sorts of skill sets you're looking for?
Oftentimes you're looking for a skill set, but it's more of a mindset, someone who's willing to do what they got to do to get a job done. And in manufacturing, you have a product you're making, so it has to get done. So you're looking for not only a skill set, but you're also looking for a type of individual, someone who's willing to work, someone who's willing to put in an effort to figure out what's going on. So you're more or less looking for a mindset. I can train skills, but I can't train a mindset.
I love that mindset over a skill set. If there's somebody who hasn't heard of advanced manufacturing before, hasn't considered it, what types of things would you say to them to encourage them to look at this type of field?
I would tell them that for me, it has always been a good career. I've never lacked for work. I've always had a job. I've never really looked for a job. Jobs have found me because of the skills that I had developed. And so someone looking to get in manufacturing will potentially always have an opportunity. And so there's always jobs available. There's always places looking, always people hiring. So it's a very good field to get into, any form of manufacturing, machining, machine tool that I do, electronics, different assembly jobs. There's always opportunities in manufacturing.
Very cool.